Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another super easy crochet hairstyle that you can do just under 2 hours, and these are crochet boho braids, so keep watching to see all the details. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. The hair's from YWigs. They sent me 4 packs of the mermaid crochet braids with human hair curls, and as you can see, each pack comes with 2 bundles inside, so 4 of these were enough for a full head. And all details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. The bag also came with some extra goodies inside, like this satin hair bonnet, also some accessories that you can use when you're installing the hair, like a parting comb, an edge brush, a crochet hook, and some hair clips. Today I'll be trying out something new instead of doing regular cornrows, so I already parted my hair half and half. So for the back of my head, I'll be doing something called the beader method. It's supposed to make the installation process much easier and faster. So instead of doing cornrows, I'll be doing plaits just like that. And if you're a person who struggles with cornrows, this is another option that you can try. It's very easy and simple to do. Once you're done with your plaits, they should look like that. And if you're going to try out this method, just make sure that your plaits are far apart, like how I did mine. Later on, you're going to see how everything is going to work out. Just make sure that your plaits are more towards your ears, if that makes sense. So moving on to the front half of my head, I'll be doing what I normally do, which is illusion method. This is supposed to mimic how normal braids would look, so it will appear as if you did individual braids. So after sectioning the hair out, I'll start creating a braid, and I'll just braid a few times, like 1 or 2 inches. Then I'll leave the braid like that. I won't braid till the very end. So after braiding a few times, I'll just leave it like that and connect it with the next one. And that's how I'll be creating these illusion parts. So I'll just continue the same process again. So I'll just section my hair out, then I'll start creating a braid. I'll just braid a few times, like 1 inch or 2, then I'll leave it like that. I won't braid till the very end. So after braiding a few times, I'll just leave it like that, then I'll connect it with the next one. Once you're done with your illusion parts, they should look like that. And right now what I'm going to do is braid the ends, then I'm going to connect them with the braids at the back. So after I was done braiding the ends, I was left with 2 braids, as you can see. So what I did is I undid 2 braids at the back, then I just braided everything together so that everything can look neat. So now we're going to install the hair, and as I mentioned before, we're going to try something new called the beader method. So you're just going to grab a beader, then you're going to insert your braids, and I'm going to use 4 pieces for my first braid. Then I'm going to grab my own hair and put it inside the loop of the beader. Then I'm just going to slide the braids in. I'm going to repeat the same process again for the other bottom braid. So I'm just going to grab my beader, then I'm going to insert 4 pieces of braids. Then after that, I'm going to grab my own hair and place it on the loop of the beader. Then I'm just going to slide the braids through. Once you're done, it should look just like that. And what I'm going to do right now is just tie my own hair with an elastic band, and that's how you're going to save time installing these braids. You don't have to install one by one. You can just insert multiple braids in your plaits, and that's how you're going to save time. So for the second bottom row, I'm going to insert 10 pieces of braids on each plait, and I forgot to mention how many pieces of braids came in a pack. So in a pack you have 2 bundles, and each bundle has 20 pieces. So you're going to end up having 40 pieces in each pack. To make my hair stay hidden, I'll be tying it up just like that with the next braid so that it can stay flat underneath the braids and not be seen. And I want to mention that I saw this hack on another creator's page called Mary Kay Bella, and I wanted to try this hack and it was really easy to do. So let me know if you're going to try this hack. Now I'm done with the back of my head, and that's how it's looking like. It looks really full, and I used about 2 packs of the hair, which you know each pack has 2 bundles. Now moving on to the front of my head, I'll start installing the braids one by one on each box that I created. So I'll just take my crochet hook, insert it underneath my hair, then I'm going to place the braid on the crochet hook, pull it through, then I'll just tie a knot. Again, I'm going to take the crochet hook, slide it underneath my hair, then I'm going to place the crochet braid on the crochet hook, pull the braid through, then I'm just gonna use the crochet hook to pull the braid through the loop, then I'm going to tie a knot. So I'll just continue with the same process again, and I'll be placing 1 braid on each box that I created, and later on I'm gonna be adding more hair as needed. So once I'm done with the boxes, I'll be adding more hair to places that need more hair, especially the mid of my head. Also, I ended up adding more hair to the boxes, so most of them ended up having 2 pieces of braids. So that's how everything is looking like on this side after doing all that. So I'll just go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, then I'll come and show you guys once I'm done. So now I'm all done, and this is the final look. I really love how everything turned out, and it took me under 2 hours to install this hair. Again, the hair is from YWigs, and this is the Mermaid Boho braids with human hair curls. So everything will be linked down below, so make sure to check it out. So I want to show you some of the styles you can do with this hairstyle. So you can wear middle part, you can wear side part, you can wear half up, half down styles. Also you can do space buns. So you can do a lot with this hairstyle. If you have reached this far, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Also, all details of this hair will be linked down below, the hairs from YWigs, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.